Take a deep breath, feels good, right? But what if I told you that every breath you take could become harder if you're not feeding your lungs the right foods? Your lungs aren't just air filters, they're your body's power stations, fueling every single cell. And today, I'll reveal the 7 best foods that can help you breathe easier, cleanse your lungs naturally, and even reverse years of damage. Stay till number 1. It's a surprising everyday food that works like a lung detox. 7. Broccoli, the lung defender. Let's start with a green powerhouse broccoli. It's rich in sulforaphane, a compound that helps activate lung protective enzymes and fights inflammation caused by pollution and smoking. Studies show that people who regularly eat cruciferous vegetables like broccoli have stronger lung function and lower risk of respiratory diseases. So the next time you're making lunch, steam or stir-fry some broccoli, your lungs will thank you. What's your favorite way to eat broccoli, raw, steamed, or in soup? Tell me in the comments. 6. Citrus fruits, the vitamin C boost. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits aren't just morning refreshers, they're lung protectors. Vitamin C in citrus fruits acts as a natural shield against toxins and helps repair lung tissues. It also boosts collagen production, keeping your lung tissues flexible and strong. So start your day with a glass of lemon water or a fresh orange. It's like giving your lungs a spa day. Smokers and city dwellers often have lower vitamin C levels. Just one orange can help bridge that gap. 5. Blueberries, the lung rejuvenator. These tiny berries pack a massive punch. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect lung cells from aging and oxidative stress. In one long-term study, people who ate blueberries regularly had slower decline in lung function, meaning their lungs stayed younger for longer. Would you like to know the best time to eat blueberries for maximum benefits? Drop a yes below and I'll make a separate video for you. 4. Garlic, the natural detoxifier. Garlic might make your breath strong, but it also makes your lungs stronger. It contains allicin, a compound known to reduce inflammation, fight infections, and clear mucus buildup in airways. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to lower risk of lung cancer and improved breathing in people with chronic lung conditions. For the best benefits, crush fresh garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. That's when allicin becomes most active. 3. Olive oil, the smooth lubricant. Think of olive oil as lubrication for your lungs. Rich in polyphenols and healthy fats, it helps reduce inflammation and protects the delicate lining of your airways. People who use olive oil regularly instead of refined vegetable oils have better lung elasticity and lower asthma risk. Use extra virgin olive oil for salads, drizzling over veggies, or even a teaspoon daily on an empty stomach. 2. Red bell peppers, the vitamin A booster. Red bell peppers are like a vitamin A bomb. 1 cup gives you over 200% of your daily requirement. Vitamin A supports the mucous membranes in your lungs, helping them stay moist and protected from pathogens. Plus, the bright red color means they're loaded with carotenoids, antioxidants that combat free radicals from air pollution. Quick poll, which color pepper do you prefer, red, yellow, or green? Type your choice below. 1. Apples, the everyday lung healer. And finally, the humble apple. Studies show that people who eat 5 or more apples a week have better lung capacity and lower risk of asthma. Apples are rich in quercetin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that protects your lungs from oxidative damage, especially if you live in a polluted area. So the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, actually keeps the lung doctor away. Bonus tip, hydration equals lung cleansing. Here's a bonus tip: drink plenty of water. Your lungs are 83% water, and staying hydrated helps thin the mucus in your airways, making it easier to breathe. Your lungs work 24/7, breathing over 20,000 times a day, yet we often ignore them until there's a problem. But now, you have the power to nourish and protect them naturally. So start adding these 7 foods to your routine, and watch how your breathing, energy, and vitality improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because your next breath deserves to be your best one. Breathe better, live longer. Subscribe Active Life Insights.